No, I'm not send nobody for her, cause she not forget no highlight no more, man. This after this it done this, so me there, cause me there go say, 500 comment, Ladies drop 500 comment, I'm just murder that guy. Renee, go pay back the people them money with them pay for you and pay them back. No, you can't pay them back, cause your body spoiled. You see, you going back to a fat shit. Pay back the people them for them body where them pay for you get done. Don't make me have to... Renee. Remember, a bush artist a fuck you, a bush in a certain Thomas, Don't do it. Don't go and get one style bun up. Don't. Bush.
Don't. Bush. You know, someone said, Negus, why is Demarco talking about Renee 630 like this? Well, people, for a few reasons, and we're going to dive right in our video. You understand me? I say we're going to point out the double standards in our society and even the world. You understand? So make sure you stick and stay in. That is it. Yes. It's been a while. You don't know Sour Nation and Imara Nation. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the farm if you're new here. You understand me? I say? So yeah, people, I know now wonder say, yo, wow, going with Renee 630 and Demarco. You understand why is Demarco so hostile towards Renee 630? No, people, I'm going to show you the origin. Well, not sure. I'm going to tell you about what's going on here. So we see Demarco and Renee 630. It's having a little back and forth. Renee 630 made a song disrespecting Demarco. And the intro, it was quite funny. Now, I want you guys to listen to this intro right here because I cannot play the full song because I'm not trying to get no copyright strike. So listen to the intro of this song right here.
To unchy squinchy little body Demarco. I mean, you really come stop with?
Little unchy squinchy body Demarco. You understand me? I said some woman opened a little private door. We don't know if there's any truth to this statement that she made, but she opened the private door, right? And let out everything. So I think Demarco is keeping the door open, him having foot at the door, keeping it open and just saying what he needs to say. Since we attack people business, we're going to talk your business too. And I think that is the approach he's taking. But Negus, why are you actually making this video? People are making this video to point out the double standards in our society. No, we see where Renee 630 went on a podcast and saying that Demarco shorted her or didn't compensate her properly for the puppy tail fiasco. You understand me? I said the big song, the it dance and whatever them do and Ben and them body I wrote it. Well, I got something. So Renee 630 created the dance, I think, and Demarco made a song to the dance, which became super popular. Now we see Renee 630 went on the podcast. I don't remember which one, but she went on a podcast and she said that Demarco didn't compensate her for it. Then later on, now you can tell feelings are carry because later on she made a song with the intro, Unchy Scunchy Little Body Demarco, right? Now, Demarco has since clapped back multiple, well, I only seen one live. But we see where Demarco clapped back and Demarco said some very disrespectful thing. But Negus, is that a problem to you? No, it's not a problem to me. I feel like if you can open the door for disrespect, you can take it. Now, we're going to play a video here of Demarco dissing up. What's your name? Renee 630, right quick, people.
She not in love with this vomit. Nobody thing that I'm not proud of. I'm not proud of it. I'm so sorry. I'm not proud of it, guys. I'm sorry. Fans, I let you down. I'm sorry. I'm not proud of this. I'm not. I'm really not proud of this. You understand? I'm not proud of this. This dog vomit. Come he's a man, yo, my life just different, You know, it's times, girl, I tell people, say, me are there, and I tell them, say, no, man, I'm a little friend. No, man, Hey, girl, you know how much video me have for you? You know, my studio have 1,000 video camera, you know that I... Dog tail.
Man said that.
Don't make my phone just last, you know. Because my phone will just end up last. Dog tail. Don't do it.
Yes, people. So you can see there, Demarco is, throwing a little jab there. Mama, a whole heap of video camera there in my studio, thousands of video camera. Saying, something going on in my studio or I have things in my phone where Mama probably a suck off the lollipop or she get a back or something. We don't know. But we hear stories of women in the industry. Hopefully, Mama never have to take that road. You understand what I say? And let me just get this so tight, because I'm really and truly, I'm not business about nobody. I'm not care if nobody want to forward and dish me. But this is no disrespect towards Demarco, nor Renee 630. I'm just using their situation as the example for my argument. Now, Demarco saying that, him phone with last and them thing that is, if it's proven that you drop these things, you're going to get in trouble. And I don't think Demarco is stupid enough to actually release those things. I don't think so. I've spent time around Demarco, and I don't think he's that stupid to do that. I don't think he's stupid at all. So him just throw that out there for remind Mama, say, Mama, behave yourself, man. Remember, say your name dirty road, man. Man, I fuck your bush. Man, I do this, man, I do that. No, Demarco, why you go so hard for Mama? Just because she disrespect you? Yes. If you open the door for disrespect, anything will come your way, you have to take it. All is fear in love and war. Now, the double standard in society is women can say whatever they want to men, and men for just take it. If a man is supposed to defend himself verbally against a woman, he's called a sassy man. He's a batty man, a gay guy, a little faggy daggy, just for defending himself. Society has coddled women to the point where they feel like they can disrespect anybody and get away with it. It don't work like that. You want respect, you give respect. That is it. So people have said Demarco a waste man because he respond to a woman. So you're telling me that you would allow your brother and your cousin them and everybody in your family as a man for to sit down and take disrespect from a woman. You would not like that. And it's not fear. It's not fear. No, I can use myself as an example. When I go up on TikTok, I'm start stream on TikTok, and the girl named Rosalie made a bunch of disrespectful comments towards my mother who had nothing to do with it. People are telling me I was disrespectful for responding to her. No, you disrespect my mother, I'm going to call you all kind of name in the book, because really and truly, everybody who knew about that situation know that I did not violate this girl at all. And then ugly, pretty than running in the mix, I come talk about me, a body shame woman and me not like woman. No, I don't like you. If there's a door open for disrespect, I'm going to walk through that motherfucker. I'm going to make a noise, so don't fuck around with me. Zin, but in a today's society, we cuddle women so much that they can do and say whatever they want and there's no repercussion. And as I said to you, if you're a man and you're defending yourself against a woman, you're going to be considered a batty man. Yeah, mama man. Basically telling you to shut the fuck up when women are disrespect you. It's 2024 right now. We're going into 2024. The man them not take no disrespect from nobody. Now imagine, men understand the threat of violence against when it comes to other man. So a man have to think twice. Stepping on a man's shoes can cost your life. Men understand the threat of violence, but women don't understand the threat of violence. Only keep poking the beer until something happen to you. No, I'm not condoning violence against nobody. Man, woman, or children. But if man, woman, or children feel like them can disrespect me and get away with it, you make a sad mistake. Me conquer little boy in my head. Go home to your blood clan, mama and father. If your mother and father feel some type of way about it, I'm gonna go in my hand and we just do something about it after that. I wanna say that for be the baddest person because we is not. But we just say, defending yourself shouldn't mean you're waste man or you're mama man. Now we're gonna dive into some of the comments them that people have to talk right here. We're gonna dive in a comment at first. Watch Nyam crutches Demarco. Imagine if the girls them come out and talk or him stick tongue in the ass. Me hear too much real story about him. So mama said the story them real. She never did it at all, you know, but she hear too much real story. A story can be fables, mama. You already make up your mind based on what this girl said about him. You don't like Demarco from day one. You hear too much real story about Demarco. Come the fuck on, lady. Then now, this one say, is so Demarco low meaning, I saw Demarco did stay. But no one is saying nothing to Renee 630. Oh, nobody knows nothing to Renee 630 when she said umpy scumpy little body boy. What if Demarco did depressed and go kill himself and hang himself and kill himself right now? And that would be because of Renee 630. None of you wouldn't say nothing. In this society, you applaud women for standing up and disrespecting people. But if a man say, Mama, what the fuck you talk about? Suck back your mother. What you cause with the woman? Blood clot in my body, man. Jesus Christ. And she disrespect the man first, you know. But if a man ever respond to a blood clot girl disrespect you, yes, him know better, him a man. You if you know better, you're a woman. Woman don't carry themselves like that, mama. Come the fuck on. Next blood clot, let's comment. This girl said, even if this is a true allegation, it only shows how much of a waste man you are. Real men don't argue with women. So fellas, you're only considered a real man if you let women disrespect you. If you answer back or set boundaries and demand respect, you're a batty boy. Want to get that in on the head. In the Jamaican society, if you defend yourself against a woman, you're a batty man. That is the world we're living in right now. Sad, sad world. Now this person said, top girl Tory. She said, so what the man for do? Sit down and take disrespect. Top girl Tory. Me like that. You're a good blood clot girl. Me like you. Why you feel like man for sit down and take disrespect? If man now sit down and take disrespect from even a dog. Because if a dog rush a man, he can fight it. Boop. Grip, boop. Step in that blood clot neck. Little pitney rude. Give me one conk. Go ahead, little boy. Kick him down body. Go up. You as a blood clot woman feel like you can disrespect man and just get away with this. So when I see the body for put the man pie about little verbal banter back and forth. I want a ball but woman a disrespect woman, but no one has said nothing about Renee 630 disrespecting the man. And I threaten the man about gun violence in a song. I'm popping a face. I'm poppy tail in a face. Nobody no find them thing they have disrespect. Now again, let me say this. I don't know Renee 630. I never met her and I don't think I ever will. So I don't have no pent-up animosity or no ill feelings towards this woman. I'm just using this situation as an example. Because I know how Uno Jamaican stay, you know. If somebody is talking about something, Uno got things say, yeah, negusimara not like Renee 630. Man, fuck y'all. And just listen what we say. Now, another girl said, me I wonder to people. Me I wonder to. People just love chat. Then Sean said, I war them, I war. So everything I come out, it have nothing to do with waste, man. I just war, that's all. All is fear in love and war. When blood clot coyote them, when them fully bad did that disrespect them, I will if a Batman words get through, suck mother, suck pussy, girl at sit down in your face, all type of disrespect. And the man them answer back them one another. But the minute a man answer back a woman, him a mama man, him a waste man, you're low. How comes nobody is correcting Demarco? How comes nobody, not Demarco, what's your name, Renee 630? How comes nobody is correcting and making videos saying, Renee 630, you don't say a fucker that tell you, mama? How comes? Because society coddled women all the days of their lives, telling them, hey, you're God's greatest gift, and no one is supposed to fuck with you, so you can do and say whatever you want to say. Don't work like that. It don't work like that. Now, here we have a video of a female who chimed in on Demarco's little riff with my girl. You understand? And she seemed to be on the side of Renee 630. Now, let us dive deep into this video here, right? Because we have to talk about it, don't it, people? That is it.
Something. Which taxi or one number bus you take for come off on the avenue where you get man like Demarco in Jamaica? Not even get man like that are like for say they know a relationship, but like interact with them or you walking at people like that. Because personally, if me did that with Demarco as a woman right now and I see what he's doing to Renee or saying that he would do to Renee, would I embarrass? Would I shame?
Okay, so if you were with Demarco and a woman come out disrespecting your man and your man defend himself because you didn't defend him, you would feel embarrassed. Not once did you say that Renee 630 went out of her way to disrespect the man. Umpy scumpy, little body, How do you know Demarco was not depressed to the point if he had heard that, him just go string up himself in him room and hang himself and dead? And even then, un would have laughed. No, man, him too soft, man, him shot stronger than that. A man defending himself against a woman make you embarrassed if you were with him. Why won't you defend your man against the woman then? Think about that. And you notice, I could finish the video and hear if she say Renee 630 did wrong for what she do. Let's hear.
The girl and go sit down in there. Whole heap of things in her life make me have to want to open up the girl and sit down in it, you know. Because I just cannot fathom how people are behave nowadays. But what kind of man or what kind of rating scared man in a Jamaica and man in a dance hall a gay man like Demarco feel confident enough for come out and threaten Renee with quote unquote videos that he has of her?
Okay, so Demarco threatening her with videos that he have of her. As I said, I don't think Demarco would do that. I don't think Demarco would put out any video like that because that's a federal crime. You'll go to prison for that. But he's just reminding her. Since you come talk about my old little, mama, remember say you old big, you know. Remember say you bush your fucking, man, I fuck your road, man, I fuck your bush, you know. Remember say you suck with in a studio and rare and them look something there, you know. So she opened a private door and Demarco is just keeping the door open. Let's let out everything then. Not once did you say that Renee 630 was wrong for the disrespect. Not once. Not once. Now let's finish the rest of the video and hear if you actually did give her the wrong.
Explain. Come and understand. I'm confused. When I think about waste man, people like him, if you work on the garbage truck and them thing there, even though good people work on the garbage truck and them do them something. People like him probably if you get collected by a garbage truck. I am so disturbed.
So disturbed, and the video is finished, and not once did she say what Renee 630 did was wrong. This right here is a prime example of a girl's girl. Girls do not hold women accountable. Men are always the problem. Girls will see a woman spit or slap a man, and then when the man slap her back, then is when them start talk and say, why you did that? She's a woman. But if she knows that she's a woman, why would you put yourself in the position to be assaulted by a man? Think about that. Think about that. How about you act like a lady? We have all these things to tell men. How they should conduct themselves, how they should treat other people, but nobody teach women how to treat man. And when I make this video, there is somebody out there that's going to say, Negus, you sound like you don't like woman. Even when I say logical, somebody out there is going to say it. And I'm just waiting for it. Not once. You guys are overlooking the rude, disrespectful, crass behavior of some of these women in society, but ready to point a finger and call man batty man because him answer said woman. What's going on in this world? What's going on in this world? You don't know, say one nation and Imara nation people. If you agree or disagree, let me know in the comments because this is the discussion I like. I like to point out these things because really and truly, if we not put a stop to this right now, enough of them girls are going to continue and get themselves in a trouble. Because I know Demarco is a mild-tempered person. So I'm not going to go to him and do nothing fucked up to the girl there. But on every man stays a road, mama. You do that to the wrong man, I eat that for you. I will not condone them something that I will burn them thing there. You understand me? I deal with them thing that I will need woman them on earth. But woman them need to carry themselves away where them demand respect without even saying a word. I know so no found and I understand that. We want about the woman them where we demand respect without saying a word. That means your action alone talk for her. So let me know if you agree or disagree in the comment section. I don't know say one nation and Imara nation. My name is negusimara and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure to turn on the notification. You understand me? I deal it up more.